parents and teachers of PIS Attapur. Today you might have watched the beautiful skit, and teachers and the students of grade 3 and 4 presented in a very good way. So let us talk few things about the coming new year, okay? So children, I hope you are all enjoying a wonderful winter, because this is still in December. New Year didn't start yet for Indians. It would start from the month of April, Ugadi, okay? This is the Western New Year, okay? I also hope you are all relaxed, recharged, and ready to start a new year 2022. How you will start? By writing the year number 2022, 1/1/2022, okay? So you will start the new year with the date. I'm so delighted that you are a part of our amazing learning community. I welcome you all and value your positive energy and dedication to excel in education. I look forward to working with you and our children. Okay. All signs point to another incredible and productive school year. Okay. So 2021 has been passed away. From tomorrow, it's a new year. Okay. It's in the number. Our skilled and devoted staff, your teachers are already planning and preparing for the new lessons. Already they are in sync. The new lesson which is going to happen, they are going to start with little more beautiful planning. Okay. Our enthusiastic office team is registering new families. That means new admissions.
Ma'am, this is me. Ma'am, your video is stuck, ma'am. Ma'am, your video is stuck, ma'am. Ma'am, your video is black.
Okay, wait, beta, wait.
Children, please don't talk. There's a signal issue.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm back again.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, little everybody is with the Wi-Fi now. Okay, chalo.
Yeah.
All signs point to the another incredible and productive school year 2022. Our skilled and devoted staff, as I was saying, are already planning and preparing for you children, okay, for the next syllabus, for the last term from January till March. And our enthusiastic office team is registering new families, new admissions, and ordering new materials and updating the student files. Our hardworking ayahs and watchmen and custodians have spent their entire winter thoroughly cleaning the facility and following the COVID norms, sanitizing, dusting, mopping, and cleaning, keeping the premises clean. And our much appreciated watchman is gearing up to welcome the families and provide volunteer opportunities and offer other exciting events and programs with the help of the school team. We are indeed a joyous and caring community with the common goals of nurturing responsible and caring students and promoting high level of learning. Thank you all students, teachers and parents who are helping to prepare for the new year 2022. Your commitment to ensure that Smart Kids and PIS Attapur remains a celebrated and successful school is inspiring. I eagerly look forward to greeting students on the eve of New Year 2022 and families back again. It remains an honor and privilege to serve as your principal. Together, I know we will make this school in the coming year 2022 one for the growth and achievement for all the children. Okay, thank you all. So another good news for all the students already I have told you. So if you are all parents here along with you all, so we are very happy to really tell you the good news across the new year today. Okay, we are very eagerly we were telling you regarding the new campus in the previous days, 2 days back, 28th on itself I have told you. So it's today it's a very happy day because the children at Smart Kids, they enjoyed, they cut the cake, they danced and they were so happy. Okay, with a lot of happiness, they closed their school today at 12:30 and PIS Attapur is going to still continue your classes. Okay, so till another timetable closes. We are very happy to introduce you to the new campus. It would be taking construction, it would be starting and we'll inform you all. Okay, okay, understood? Clap for your new campus all. Okay, so this is the happy news. Okay, this new year brought us a lot of cheer and happiness that finally we are able to do. Okay, for you all. So we love you all. We are very, very happy. Okay, the little things what we did till date, till year 2021. Okay, so let the growth go and the happiness go in top level. Okay, and the academics also should go to a great heights. Okay, so with all the positive mindsets and lot of energy and enthusiasm, okay, I wish you all a happy new year. Okay, so be happy children and don't trouble your parents, as teachers were saying, explaining you what is real new year. It's not the Western culture we have to follow. We are residing in India. We should learn good things from the Western people, but not the things which is not suitable for Indian weather and culture. Okay, understanding the technology, learning it, communication, and lot of advancement in the technology, we have to take it, but we should never forget to follow our roots. Okay, so culture, Indian culture is very great. And what all your parents are telling you, you have to listen to them and follow them. Don't pester them to watch movies late night today by waking up till 12 o'clock and sending WhatsApp messages. This year, what I want you all to sleep early, not to wake up till 12 o'clock midnight and 00 and send the WhatsApp messages. Stop doing that. And what you have to do, instead you have to wake up early. You have to wake up early. 5:30 or 6 is the good time to wake up. Then at 5:30 or 6 o'clock, you wish them a happy new year 2022. Okay, so your health will spoil if you wake up in the late nights, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, your health will spoil. Okay, so with all these things, I'll wish you all a happy and prosperous new year, Western New Year. And our new year, traditional new year, we celebrate again in the month of April. Okay, with lot many hopes and happiness. Okay, so thank you all for giving me the opportunity. So wish you all a happy new year one more time again. So let
As